In this video, I will show you how to create your own custom Excel formulas using Python. Now, this is something really similar to using lambdas or VBA, but I think it's actually much simpler and even more powerful. Also, you don't even need to have Python installed on your machine to create or use the formulas. And I will talk about how that works later in the video. But first, let me show you some example formulas I have created. So my first custom formula sums up the sales by region. So here I've got my table with products, regions, units sold and unit price. Now the formula is called sales by region, and for the input I just need to select my range here, and as soon as I do that and hit enter, I will get my results. So what's happening behind the scenes is that the formula multiplies the unit by the prices and then it groups the sales by region. Alright, next up I also created a formula to extract emails. So here I've got some cells with text, and inside that text there are some emails I want to pull out. And if there are multiple emails, I want to separate them with a comma. So the formula I created, it's called extract emails, and now I just need to select my input cell. And just like that, I now get my emails returned. Now, since this is just a regular Excel formula, I can also drag it down to apply it to all my other cells here. Alright, and with that, let us move on to the next example. And this one is pretty similar to the one before, but this time I want to extract the phone numbers. So again here I will just select my cell here, and now I get the phone numbers returned. Also, if there isn't a phone number, it will return my custom text here. Okay, and for the last two examples, let's also bring some AI into Excel. So first off, I've got a really simple formula, which is called AI ask prompt. And here I can type my prompt like explain Python in one sentence, and once I hit enter, that prompt gets sent to OpenAI and I will get back my result right here in Excel. Now, to be honest, this one is pretty basic, but if you want, you could also analyze an entire range. So for example, here I've got my weekly sales report and I want to make my work easier, so I created a custom formula to analyze the report. And in this formula, it's called AI analyze range. Now, this formula takes in two input parameters. The first one is a prompt, like give me the key insights in one sentence, and the second one is the actual range of the cells I want to analyze. So here I will just select my range, press enter, and then I get the key insights right here in my cell. Now, all these formulas I showed you are written entirely in Python, and for that I'm using a free add-in called xlwings Lite. And in just a moment I will show you how to install it. But for now, let me quickly explain how it works. So once you open the add-in, you can write all your Python code right here. Now for a super simple example, I created this Python function here, which takes a bit of text as an input. And then it just adds hello in front of that text using an f string. So if I now use the hello formula and type in my name, it will return hello Sven. Now the interesting part here is that this also works if you don't have Python installed on your machine. And that's because xlwings Lite uses Pyodide, which is basically WebAssembly running in your browser. And the key part here, everything runs locally on your machine, so none of your data ever leaves your computer. And that also means you could share this workbook also with your colleagues, and they will be able to use the formulas you have created. The only thing they need is to have the xlwings Lite add-in installed on their machine. Now what makes it so powerful in comparison to Lambda or VBA for example, is that you can also use third-party packages like pandas. For example, in the sales by region formula, I've set it up so that the input is a pandas data frame. Then, once I get that data frame, I calculate the revenue and group the sales by region. Now, for extracting emails or phone numbers, you actually don't even need extra packages. For that, you can just use the Python built-in regular expression module, which is already included. So here I just define my pattern and then look for that pattern inside the input text. Now I don't want to waste your time and walk you through the entire code, because I think it is much easier if I just upload this workbook. So you will find the download link in the description box below, and then you can check out the code yourself. But just so you know, you can also use the OpenAI module, just like I did for the AI formulas. And to use those modules like pandas, polars or OpenAI, you need to list them in the requirements tab, just like I did here. Now just keep in mind, not all third-party packages are supported by Pyodide. So below this video, I will also include the link to the xlwings Lite documentation, where you can see which packages are supported. And also one more thing, to use the AI formula, you of course also need your own API key. So you can either hard code it directly here in the editor, or you can also set it as an environment variable, just like I did here. For that, just navigate to the menu and then click on environment variables. Here you will now see that I have defined the OpenAI API key as a variable. So if you also want to use that formula, make sure to input your API key right here. Alright, so now that you have seen how it works, let me also show you how to install xlwings Lite. And that is actually super simple. So let me open a new workbook. And then go to the Home tab and click on Add-ins. Here you want to search for xlwings Lite. Once you find it, click on Add to install it. Now, I've already done that, so it shows up right here for me. And to open it, just click on the xlwings Lite icon. That will now open the task pane where you can write your code. Also, by default, you will see some sample code already loaded. Now also a quick tip here, if you're sometimes a bit lazy, just like me, you can also totally ask AI to help write the formulas for you. For that, I would recommend just copy and pasting the entire example code from this workbook and also the one I showed you earlier into your favorite large language model like ChatGPT or Claude. Then you could also include the link to the documentation for custom functions so the AI knows how xlwings Lite works. And of course, I will also include the documentation link in the description box below. That said, the documentation is actually pretty straightforward, so definitely check them out to see how everything works in detail. Also, at the bottom of the page, you will find some limitations of the custom functions, like you need at least xl2021. And under the Python dependencies section, you will also see which third-party packages are supported. Alright, and lastly, let me also mention that with xlwings Lite, you're not just limited to creating custom Excel formulas. You can actually write entire scripts to automate Excel. And if you want to learn more about that, check out this video right here, where I will show you a bunch of cool automation ideas using xlwings Lite. Alright, so have fun creating your own Excel formulas, and if you've got any questions, just let me know in the comments below.